I am going to make GoAnimate grounded videos out of Caillou. Oh. Windows 9. I like this. I'll download this. This is not Windows 9. Is Courage the Cowardly Dog OS? No, 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 no.
Welcome to Courage the Cowardly Dog OS.
I am going to Internet Explorer. Why, it has search Bing. It sure be Google. Okay, I am going watch on YouTube.
YouTube videos. But it's only Courage the Cowardly Dog videos.
Great, I am going watch some videos.
We interrupt this program to bring you Courage the Cowardly Dog Show, starring Courage the Cowardly Dog. Abandoned as a pup, he was found by Muriel, who lives in the middle of nowhere with her husband, Eustace Bagg. But creepy stuff happens in nowhere. It's up to Courage to save his new home.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad!
Hey. Why did you stop this video?
Because this theme song is garbage. I am going to listen some musics. Oh no.
We
Not
interrupt this
again.
program to bring you Courage the Cowardly Dog Show, starring...
Hey.
I'm said theme song is garbage. And that music is annoying. I am going play some games. Those games sucks. Actually, Pokemon Sun and Moon is there. I am going play it.
Ha 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 ha. I tricked you.
That's it. I'm going to kill you.
Jap, no!
Yes. Courage the Cowardly Dog OS is gone. Now Windows 8 is back. Yeah.